Hi everyone, this is Idea Mela. In this video, I will show you yet another innovation opportunity. So this is a hackathon. So you might be aware of the Reddit platform. So you can join the Reddit Hackathon. So Reddit's Games with a Hook Hackathon is the name of the competition. So you can join Reddit and Facer to build incredible games for the Reddit community. So the last date for application is July 16th. So they are offering $40,000 in cash prizes. So Reddit is hosting a virtual hackathon from June 17 to July 15. So where they will be offering developers $40,000 in prizes for games built to delight users. So what is the challenge? The challenge is to create new Reddit game for the users of Reddit using Devvit or the developer platform for this hackathon. They're asking developers to use Devvit Web, which allows you to build the apps using web technologies you are already familiar with, like React, Facer, three.js, or your favorite game engine, which can be Godot, GameMaker, Unity, etc. So participants will also have access to Facer to make the game shine. So the best app to use Facer will be offered a special award too. So you have to build a game on Devvit, Reddit's developer platform, using the interactive post feature that inspire collective joy. The best experience that will keep people coming back is what they are aiming for. Apps that give Redditors a reason to return day after day. So this could come from progression, daily challenges, fresh content, meaningful choices, social dynamics, or simply the anticipation of what happens next. So we are looking for experiences that create excitement between sessions and leave players wanting to come back tomorrow. So the strongest entries make every visit feel worthwhile. Players should have something to work towards, discover, unlock, influence, or look forward to each time they return. The format can vary widely, but the core focus should be creating a compelling loop that builds this momentum over time and turns a one-time visitor into a regular player. So what are they looking for? So they are looking for various games that attract users to the platform. They are not looking for an AI slop, on the nodes Reddit theming, literal interpretation on games with a hook. So they are not looking for common ideas. So they are looking for best use of Facer, best use of retention mechanism, best use of user contributions. So these are the sub challenges within the main challenges. And for that they are offering $40,000 in cash. So if you like this video, please leave a like. And if you want to get updated about various innovation opportunities around the world, then I will bring that in the form of a video, short videos that will help you understand about various opportunities that is around the globe. So you please subscribe to this channel known as Idea Mela. Thank you very much.